How can you make money with retail stores you can open in Rexporta?
The minimum order quantity is written next to the sales price of each product on the Rexporta platform. This is the minimum quantity that can be purchased at wholesale price. You can buy a product wholesale from another country and sell it wholesale and retail to neighboring countries. How much profit you will make from the advantage you offer with fast delivery depends on your sales strategy.
The products appearing on Rexporta are offered for sale in stores in different countries. While searching for a product, select which country's store you will shop from the product filter. Stores in different countries sell the same product at different prices.
The price of a product from the country where it is manufactured increases depending on some factors until it reaches the consumer country. In addition to shipping and VAT, the seller's profit is added to the inland price of the product. Factories and large distributors do not waste time with small quantities of orders. This opens the door to profitable business for smaller businesses. The fact that a product arrives from China in 2.5 months by sea cargo is another new source of income. Consumers want to get the products they buy immediately. There is usually a price difference between the product delivered immediately and the product will to be delivered.
You can carry out customs import procedures yourself for the products you import through Rexporta, or you can ask Rexporta to carry out this process for you. Please read the store details section about the services of the store selling the product you purchase, so you see who will pay fees such as transportation and customs clearance of importer country.
Go to Rexporta.com now and create your sales store for free.